Hey friends, this is Atif Val and welcome to the new update on Litecoin. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Litecoin first broke out a quite long-term down channel on the daily time frame chart, and after that it was stuck inside in another rising wedge pattern. And this was my last video that I shared almost 4 or 5 days ago with you. And now if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that once again the price and its bounce here. For a while we broke down the support. That was a fake out, and the price and bounce from this long-term support of $65 and re-entered the same rising wedge pattern. This is the rising wedge pattern, by the way. But after this extra spike here, you can see that after this fake out, by the way, we can also adjust this trend line in this way. And this is now more likely to be an up channel rather than if rising wedge pattern, and the price is still moving inside this wedge, and at the same time we have also found this resistance of $76 approximately here. You can see that the pricing got rejected here, and now again the pricing is rejected here as well. And in today's video we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you once again this breakout from this quite long-term down channel, and we will also take a look at this very massive breakout that has happened on the 7-day time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Litecoin that I shared a few hours ago with my members. And so far, this signal has produced almost 11% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Litecoin that I shared almost 24 hours ago with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reverse Gartley pattern that Litecoin formed on a daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup, buying on and the sell targets on and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started a very nice reversal and read the sell targets on. And so far, it has pumped almost 11%. Before that, we got almost 21% pump. And this signal I shared on 2nd of October 2024 with my members in the previous month. And this move was also formed on the daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a bullish cipher pattern. And this was a complete trade signal, buying on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has pumped very well. And this was almost 22% pump. And before that, we caught more than 18% pump. That was another harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern. And I shared this idea on 9th of September 2024. And this was a complete trade signal, buying on, and the sell targets on, and the stop loss. And by the way, this move was also formed on the daily time frame chart with the US dollar pair. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started a very massive reversal and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Litecoin. And this is the daily time frame chart. And here on this live daily time frame chart, you can see that after breaking out this quite long-term down channel, Litecoin is moving inside this up channel. This is the channel. At the same time, it is also rejected several times by this resistance at $76. And at the same time, you can see that it is also formed another ascending triangle as well. Here we have the resistance at $76, and the same uptrend line support of the channel is also working as a support of this triangle as well. For example, if the price breaks down this support, then technical target for the channel's breakdown will be here at the bottom of the channel at approximately $55 or $56. And in case of breaking down the triangle, because at the same time the price will also break down this triangle as well. If the price breaks down the channel, then technical target for the breakdown from this triangle as per this measurement will be here. That will be quite low, by the way. That will be approximately at $48. But in my opinion, it can break out the resistance despite this the bearish bias pattern, this up channel. But in my opinion, because we have broken out a quite long-term down channel, therefore there can be a probability that the price may break out the resistance of this channel. And for example, if the price breaks out the resistance, then technical target for the breakout from the channel will be here. That will be approximately at $91 or $92. and the triangles breakout target will be here. That will be approximately at $105. Now, if you take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then here you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And after the breakout, the price and so far did not hit the target for the breakout from this wedge. And that long-term target can be here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between $400 to $500. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.